Hey, this is David with eStrategy. I am going to show you very quickly how to schedule a retweet using the Twitter web interface. Okay, you can see I'm at my Twitter feed and my homepage right now, and I want to find something worthwhile sharing to show you how to schedule a retweet. And so let's check out what's popular these days. I did find one that was pretty awesome. But, oh, there it is. All right, here we go. This is great. Residents at care home recreate iconic album covers during lockdown. So you can see Aladdin Sane by David Bowie. There's Adele. There's Bruce Springsteen, Born in the USA. Queen. These are awesome. The Crash. Michael Jackson. This is great. So I want to share this. This is hilarious, but I do it on, it's music. It's Sunday right now, and I want to schedule this for Monday, for Music Monday. Get that cap lock off. And so you need to add something when you retweet something. In order to activate the schedule function, you need to add some text along with your retweet. You can't just retweet something uncommented upon. Now you can see there's this calendar icon. You just click on that and it pops up when you want to schedule for. So I want to do July 13th, which is Monday, at time. We're in the Central Time Zone. And let's do 9:10 a.m. Okay. And then confirm. And that's how I want to do it. So it's all ready to go. It will send on Monday, July 13, 2020 at 9:10 a.m. In schedule, I could add some more tweets to this if I wanted to, but I don't, and I'm going to schedule it. Now, I don't know where to find my scheduled tweets. If I wanted to go back and edit something, maybe, I don't know where to go and find that. Display, no, that's just look and feel. Profile, likes, tweets, replies, interesting. But what I would use this function for is I have lists of journalists that I follow. And so for a particular industry, if I'm trying to build a relationship with some journalists, I'll go my list and follow some journalists there and retweet some of their stuff. And because I tend to use Twitter in spurts, I tend to have a bunch of tweets about a given topic when I'm when I'm dipping into Twitter, and then dip out again and don't pay attention to it for a couple of hours, then dip back in. By having the ability to schedule retweets, it doesn't look like I'm just inundating with people with a bunch of tweets at the same time. I can schedule them out over a period of time and schedule retweets out over a period of time as part of my earned media tactics.